Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Yuki again for another unboxing and review sa ating new product na binili, which is I mentioned from the last video na in-upload ko, RK100 review, unboxing and review. So if you haven't watched it, please click here. There's gonna be something here. Bili ako ng keycaps para sa RK100 ko. So, ayun, dumating na siya. Actually, matagal na siyang dumating. Wala lang akong time. And nagkasakit ako. Kaya hindi ko siya review, install agad, ganon. So, ito siya. I hope you like the video. And, ayun. Nakikita niyo yung packaging niya, ganyan. So, it's up to you. If you like it, please consider subscribing. If bago ka sa channel ko, nood ka muna. And, kung magustuhan mo, subscribe ka na, share mo sa mga friends mo na keyboard enthusiast din or mahilig din sa mechanical keyboard. But yun, let's go to the video.
Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let
So, ito na yung package. This is how I received it from Shopee. I ordered it from China sa Shopee. I'll put the link on the description box below. It's the cheapest store na nakita ko yung gantong honey milk keycaps. Kita mo naman kung gaano siya ka-secured with rubber band pa, and ito nga, naka-plastic siya na ganito. Yung iba kasi nakagarapon or naka-plastic lang. So, ayan na siya, finished product after kong palitan yung mga keys. Ang ganda niya, 'di ba? Flat siya kumpara sa OEM keycaps, and yung tinuturo ko dyan, kinip ko muna yan. Ang ganda niya talaga.
Siya. So, nakikita nyo. Ayan. Oh. Ganda. Sulit. Ewan ko lang kung sulit sa iba. Siyempre may mga kaibigan tayo dyang kuripot, di ba? Ayaw nilang gumastos. Medyo mahal din kasi talaga pag isa kang keyboard enthusiast. Isa sa mga maluhong hobby. Baka napapansin nyo yung sa function keys ko. Teka lang, adjust natin yung light. Pero patayin ko muna. So yan, yung sa F keys, yung sa taas, function keys, hindi ko talaga siya pinalitan kasi meron yung mga ganito kasing compact na keyboard. Yung mga keys, minsan doble yung use niya. So ayoko lang na na hindi ko na magamit kasi useful siya lalo na sa media, sa hindi media, social media. Sa sa mga shortcut keys like calculator, yung sa music, stop, pause, stop, next, forward, volume up and down, mute. Ayoko lang na hindi ko na siya makikita kasi syempre hindi ko naman siya kabisado yung additional features ng keyboard. So, kinip ko na lang siya. Ayun. Buti na lang, white din naman, so okay lang. Pero it's up to you kung gusto niyo talaga na full milky honey milk yung design ng keyboard nyo, then change nyo na lahat. Pero ako, I personally prefer na nakikita ko pa rin yung mga shortcut ng F1 to 12. Yun lang naman. Sa ngayon, I'm pretty satisfied with the quality. Diba? Kita nyo naman doon sa video. Yun, let's see kung magkakaroon ba ng bago ba ako kasi nga iba siya, XDA siya. So, ayun. I'll update you guys. But then, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. You can also like the video. Comment down below if you have suggestion, question about the product, or comment also if you have question about the previous videos that I reviewed or that I posted. Just let me know. You can also reach me sa mga social medias ko. It's on the description box below or at the end of the video. And thank you so much for continuously supporting me. I know we're a very small channel pa lang, but then we're growing naman. Nakikita ko yung increase ng mga subscribers and may mga nag-PM na din. So if you have question, don't hesitate. You can message me on my social media. It's in there. I already made a Facebook page, so I also posted the username on the description box below. If you're interested, question or want to follow the contents that I'm posting, follow mo na din yung FB page natin. So I thank you again and see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!
I'll never tell you it's true, it's true.